Hey guys, today we're unboxing the Vivo V70 5G. And as you can see, it's co-engineered with Zeiss. And let me tell you something, that matters a whole lot more than you think it does. Now before we ever look at the phone, just check out the box. Nice, simple, well-made box, nice and chunky, so lots of goodies on the inside. Now if you're looking at the phone itself, you'll notice that there's a first here for the V series. It's actually made of aerospace grade aluminium. And that camera bump, it's a nice aluminium one, so it feels really good in the hand. And those three lenses on the back, all three 50 megapixels, all three co-engineered with Zeiss. That is going to be incredible when you experience it for yourself. There's also the Aura light on the back, and I love the Aura light on the Vivo phones. They're just phenomenal. Now, the phone has all the usual things. SIM card tray, which, by the way, dual SIM phone. It's got microphone, USB-C charging port. It's got the speaker grill. On the side, you've got your nice clicky buttons. Power button, volume up, volume down, and then nothing on the left-hand side of the phone. It's such a lovely design. And everything about this phone just feels so considered and so well made, including the case that they include in the box. And I'm so glad that they do, because why does no one include cases in the boxes anymore? Now, what's nice about the case is it's a bit snug, but I think that that's good because it means it's really going to stay on your phone and protect it. It's got a bit of a raised lip on the front and on the back, actually, with a camera bumpy. So either way, if you drop it, the important parts are protected. Now, included in the box is the usual things: the paperwork, SIM card ejector tool, and of course, charging cable. This one is USB-C to USB-A, and a power brick. Like, that is such a rarity in this day and age. It's just unbelievable. What makes this one even more unbelievable is that it is a 90-watt flash charging brick. So the 6,500 milliamp hour battery that powers this phone, you'll charge it in no time. And that display with that fingerprint unlock, even if your hands are dirty, it's got a bit of water on them, you're still going to be able to unlock the phone. I mean, how many times does that not happen? I think that that's such a great feature. That display also is beautiful and bright, 6.59 inches, up to 5,000 nits brightness, which, take it outside in full sunlight, you're still going to be able to see what you're doing. Up to 120 hertz refresh rate. And I mean, look at that camera. Look at just the controls. It is so intuitive. I'm such a fan. And the cameras are just amazing. Like, all those lenses, including the selfie cam in the front, just phenomenal. There's some really great features. One of my favorite is actually the AI stage mode. So if you go to a concert or something and, you know, maybe you don't have the best seats or best standing room, or you're like me and you're super short, so you've got to go further back so you can kind of see everything. This is going to make sure that you're still getting some of the best footage, no matter where you are. Now, if you don't believe me, I didn't use the stage mode, but this is just normal video on the V70. No editing, no nothing. And also, this is handheld. No tripod, so no additional stabilization. And just look at how good this video is. And as you can see, it's also kind of complex lighting. You know, well-lit background, foreground not so much. And obviously you've got that display where things are changing in terms of color and all sorts of things. I think it's incredible. And at night, I mean, look at this. Look at how complex the lighting is in this, and just look at how well this camera does. It is incredible, and I really genuinely mean this. I don't think that Vivo gets the respect that it deserves for all the work it puts into its cameras, whether it's video, whether it's photography. I think that they are actually the leaders in this industry, and I do not think that enough people recognize that, because their partnership with Zeiss and the work that they put in over the years, it's unbelievable. I mean, you are getting flagship camera features on a non-flagship device. I mean, look at these pictures. Right, just look at this. This is, like, could you ask for anything better than this? You know you're going to get a great picture every single time, no matter what the conditions are. And this is from what is considered a mid-range phone. I mean, this can easily go up against some of the best flagship phones in the country right now and beat all of them. What's also great about it is it runs on Android 16. It's also got Origin OS 6 on top of it. And because of that, you're going to get 4 OS updates, 6 years of security updates.